Hey everyone, this is Jesse at Pro PDR and Ceramic Pro in Colorado Springs. I just wanted to get on here. First, wish you a Merry Christmas. We're about to sign out for the weekend. I'm sure everyone's excited about this, and doesn't always happen, but here in Colorado, in the Springs, we actually did get a white Christmas. I could definitely do away with the cold weather that we've had, but looks like it's starting to warm up tomorrow. So anyways, I just wanted to kind of let you know what's going on here as you might see that we're increasing some of our services here. So we're using a new film that's from Pro PDR that's called KAVACA. And KAVACA is a pretty phenomenal product. We use both their window tint and their paint protection film. I'm really excited about this client that we have in right now. He just picked this up in the last month. This is the new Mercedes-AMG EQS, all electric. The thing is just insane. Super unique. So this vehicle already has a matte finish for the paint. And so what we're going to be doing on this, we want to protect that. Matte paint is extremely difficult to protect. If something were to happen to this, rock chip, a little scratch or something, you can't just do any kind of paint correction like polishing like you would normal paint, because then it would take it to a polished state rather than a matte finish. So what we're doing is we're actually wrapping this entire vehicle in matte paint protection film. And so that's going to give just phenomenal protection. And our KAVACA paint protection film actually comes with ceramic coating built into the film itself. So he's getting a 2-in-1 basically of paint protection film and ceramic coating. We're also going to be tinting the entire vehicle, all windows, windshield, with a ceramic tint, which gives you not only UV protection, but it also gives really high heat rejection for our Colorado sun. It's going to be a fun project for sure. And we got this new WRX in here. We're doing a little bit of a dent repair on it, but we're also going to do a ceramic coating on it when we're finished up. And then we kind of came on here, I think, beginning of the week. We were showing you doing some tint on this, but we're working on the paint protection film right now. We have a few things to wrap up still on it, but right now we have the full tint done on it. So this is KAVACA ceramic. And right now the paint protection film is finished up. We still got to do a cleanup detail on it, but the guys had to get going for the night. So this thing is just really cool coloring. This is the new X5 Hybrid. And we're not doing a lot with that. That's actually my wife's. And we actually just got it back today from the mechanic. So that's been in the family for almost 50 years. So anyways, again, just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Be safe out there this weekend. And we are taking a nice long weekend ourselves. And so we will touch base with you when we're back on Tuesday. Talk to you soon.